What I was saying about preppers and their fascination with impractical knives. So I've often wondered how many unboxings we don't get to see when people have hacked themselves with their knives trying to open these boxes. The most useful knife, regular Swiss Army knife, saves my ass many times a day. But people buying all these where they can flick them out real fast. You know, it don't take long to open a knife. But it's like they're going to defend themselves with this knife. You know, it's like they think that they can, you know, fighting with a knife is an art that they don't have. I mean, they struggle playing with a knife. And they're going to fight with this knife. You bet. Just silly bullshit. Just aggravates me, like I say, to see people living in fantasy. But Swiss Army knife. The only knife you really need. I mean, I've got other knives. I got a bigger knife. I got a K-bar that I use hunting, but I've butchered deer with a Swiss Army knife. You know, you don't need more than that. And there's one thing that people, I mean, they think it's cool to have this big knife they can flip out. But it's really still, it's socially unacceptable, especially where you people normally are living. You may think it looks cool, but it's very off-putting for any normal thinking human being when you start whipping this knife out. You know, just silliness. It's like kid stuff that I'm surprised people don't grow out of. But some people just seem to get worse. But it's all knives and AR-15s and Glocks. But I live far enough away from you. I figure you'll kill yourselves off before you get this far.